Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Down below is the comments section, a like button, and subscribe. All up to you. Did you look at Insta360 what they came out and released? They released a handheld grip for the camera that wraps around. Does not have a battery for it, but a nice large area so you could hit the shutter and grip it. I use a mini tripod, a clone to the GoPro Shorty. I don't know how good it would be because I'm holding it in my left hand and my hand is over the shutter button. I wouldn't be able to grip it and hold it with my thumb on the shutter button because what would happen, I may drop my camera without the hand grip. Oh, don't get me wrong, people. It's a great product to offer as an option to better your filmmaking, but to look forward like so, and then to hold it and frame your shot. It's great to have. So what I'm going to do is ask DJI if they want to come out with theirs. And what do they think about it? Oh, we'll pass that on to the relevant team. Each camera company is a little different than the other. And you have to decide if you like Insta, GoPro, or DJI. And you just use what you got. And if you want to switch over to that company and put DJI away or sell it, that's all up to you. The same thing goes with GoPro or Insta. I've been with GoPro for the longest period of time, 8 years, I think. And I basically went over to DJI. I went that route because of less issues. Camera didn't have any trouble, but yes, it did. It had a couple of troubles as I was transitioning over. We had a battery concern that at 50%, the battery said exhausted. DJI immediately fixed it. We had the Sonova adapter that gave a high-pitched sound when plugged in. Sonova immediately fixed it. And we had a couple other things like a shutter exposure jump in the Action 1. Action 2, I don't have. And Action 3, 4, 5, I think some people are reporting it in the 5. That is constantly going up and down in daytime. And I'm seeing it at nighttime as well. And we're waiting for the fix. But not like a couple of years ago where the fix comes fast. Now the fix comes very slow. If you like Insta360 and you're on older computers that are 8-bit, that's where the camera shines. With DJI, we're on 10-bit. And I don't have a 10-bit machine, but I have the option to do 8-bit. And we have the option to wait when DJI gave us 10-bit. So Insta360 will probably release 10-bit for you soon. Don't hold my word for it, but probably. It's always an option. I did some homework, research, and the Insta360 X4 that I have, the mini remote, is coming. It's already out, it's already in stock, and it is on Amazon. And I have placed my order and waiting. I also placed my order for the extended 3 meter stick, that is. And I'll wait for that to come. And that'll be here today with my double clamp that my one that I thought was good just gave like that without notice. I tore it apart and I'm able to salvage the 2 clamps, but not the actual swiveling or the adjustment that gave on that clamp. It took me time on my page to find the clamp that I have, and it's on sale, and I reordered that, and that clamp does a mighty fine job. The gimbal ball heads I don't love, but it has rubber around it that does grip and does a great job. But placing a big pole like so with one clamp, I know it's going to drop down due to the weight and everything. And I think that's going to complete my gear for the 360X4. I don't really need anything else to have with it. I got my compact and regular selfie stick. I have my extended and remote, and I got my lens guard protectors, but I don't have just a lens guard cover because I don't want, you got it, silicone on the covers. So probably a baby sock will complete it all. I did my rounds. I'm heading in. I'll give my main chat talk. Yes, indeed. Everything that you see out in the real world online, you'll have to make a decision if these things will be right for you. I know DJI does a good job, gets the video across, the story that is, whatever you got. And if I didn't have DJI with me, I would be using my smartphone and doing my story. I don't love my Apple smartphone for the reasons of, you ever take a video and see that filing system? It's all over the place. A, Z, F, U, R, B, K, Z, 4, J, L, S, T. That's the order, man. And when I go and do my screen recording, I just don't know what's happening, and I just delete all my videos and photos off and start fresh every time I'm ready to do a vlog. I just format my photos and videos off the camera. I got some main projects that I really have to take care of, and they got to get done. And rearranging, I'm not sure if I want to go about doing it, but I will have to do it. And I want to get my Huffy back up and out. But this weather is so ever changing. It's warm, it's freezing. Well, I could start to ride my bike, get it on out. I'm ready to get going. Afternoon rides. It's still in the morning. I gotta wait some. Kind of like broke protocol. I didn't use subject tracking. And I don't know if I'm going to use Super Night. Well, the DJI Mic 2 that I have, I think it's the best mic for me. I may save up for another DJI Mic 2 and maybe get another receiver transmitter and start to use that because that's the best thing around. Well, do not get me wrong, the DJI Mic Mini is awesome as well. I wish the Mic Mini would have talked to the DJI Mic 2 receiver, but it talks to the camera. They're both able to be shared amongst one another. Well, I'm happy that I got the X4 Mic Mini receiver and transmitter and have it hooked up there. It's more or less like a backup system if I need to have a mic. I love this because it's got the vibration in it. The Mic Mini don't. I love this because I can feel it and I know where the button is at. It's nice and large where it's supposed to be. And if I want to make it even bigger, then I'll put something over it, knowing where it's at, like we did with the Insta 360H Pro. Give it that handhold control. Well, I'm not doing Super Night now. It's not dark enough for it. I think the video is nice and bright, that the camera's backlight does a great job and shows me, presents me quite well. And that'd be the brightness, exposure, and all. People love the camera when it's put into the right use for action. It's a vlogger's camera, it's an action camera, It's a time-lapse camera. It does it all, whatever you like for it to do. It is time for me to go meet Joe, take care of some notes, and beeswax. I'm thinking of change, and they say change is good. And some people want to change you, and that is not good. I'm thinking about placing the wood back on and redoing my shelf, maybe adding a shelf where my workbench is at, put my cameras up there, and have something to correctly pick up on. Well, I know who I am, and I want to thank you for stopping by. And goodbye. See you on the next video. I'm Fish. Catch you later.